One of the best Egyptian foods and the cheapest ever suddenly invaded the world due to its beautiful taste and its easy and quick recipe. Today in Egyptology TV. Stay tuned. Welcome to Egyptology TV. I am Ramses.
I am Nebuchadnezzar.
If this is your first time here and you did travel or want to travel one day to the beautiful country, Egypt, love or fascinated by Egypt or even love to try and know other cultures, then you are at the right place. Just press the subscribe button and turn the bell on to get notified as there is a new episode every Monday and Thursday about a new lovely thing in Egypt.
Imagine mixing some rice with pasta, brown lentils, fried onions, garlic sauce, and tomato sauce all together.
The result will be a very beautiful and tasty Egyptian food called Koshary.
Let's know more about the koshary. But first, like this video if you had ever tried the koshary. Also tell us in the comments what did you think about it. Also don't worry, watch till the end, we put the recipe for you, and of course how can you cook it.
Koshary is a traditional Egyptian meal that consists of a strange combination of macaroni, spaghetti, rice, black lentils, chickpeas, garlic sauce, and a spicy tomato chili sauce, all topped with fried onions. It is sold from carts by street vendors, in restaurants, or even made at home, and each is considered a different taste experience. The koshary man stands in front of large containers that hold each of the dish's ingredients. Usually, there is a line of people waiting to be served. Once you place your order, you stand in a row waiting to give the koshary man your receipt that states the price of your dish. At the moment you give him the receipt, the koshary man grabs a bowl and scoops a little of each ingredient into the bowl and sends it to your table. Each koshary dish takes about 5 seconds to prepare. Of course, after the ingredients are cooked. His speed can be surprising to you, and as the koshary man scoops, he knocks his metal spoon against the side of the bowl, making the koshary symphony that you won't hear elsewhere.
The base of koshary is the white rice and brown lentils. Some people like to cook them separately. Some shops use a mixture of spaghetti and small ditalini pasta. But I think it tastes so much better with just one type of small pasta, because this dish has so many components. I like to take a shortcut here and just use canned ready-cooked chickpeas. They are just as good and save me the trouble of having yet another pot going on the stove at the same time. A very simple tomato paste-based sauce flavored with a plenty of garlic, cumin, and a dash of finger and chili powder. Then the best thing is adding a dressing of sauce. It's a punchy combination of raw minced garlic, finger, spice and chilies. The fried onions are the most important final garnish, crispy, salty, deep golden brown. This element really makes the dish sing. This is koshary.
And on the phone with us, Mr. Muhammad, who owns a koshary restaurant in Cairo. Mr. Muhammad, who eats koshary the most in Egypt? Does the age make a difference in preferring koshary? Thank you so much, Mr. Muhammad. Koshary is a national dish of Egypt, but koshary isn't actually Egyptian in origin. It's believed that koshary originated in India and dates back to the time of British colonization. The name Koshary is actually from the Hindu Koshary, which refers to a dish of lentils and rice. When the British arrived in Egypt in the late 1800s, they brought this dish with them. It was inexpensive and filling. Happens to be that the Italian community that lived in Egypt at the time adopted the dish and added their favorite food to it, pasta. The Egyptians then added the spicy finger tomato sauce, beans, and the fried onions to add the unique flavor it has now, and mix it all ingredients together in one extremely delicious and vegetarian dish. Koshary is a truly fusion dish. It is a mixture of all different civilizations that came to Egypt in the history of its existence. Nowhere in the world will you be able to taste so many cultures in one plate. Koshary.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. And remember this great Egyptian food the next time you visit Egypt. Koshary. Ramses will go now, and I will have a little dance while the Koshary recipe appears on the screen.
Bye bye.
Mr. Sharper in the house. مستر شربوفر العظيم قرار متين هيروح الجيم يشيل حديد وهيبقى بريمو وهيبقى جامد حافظ تمارين ومش هياكل الهمبرجر ولا يشرب الكازوزة وهيجري كل يوم من الزمالك للعجوزة عش يا وحش عش يا كوتش
شرموفر يشرب لبن ما يشربش اسكت
يلعب بايسبس وترايسبس وهيبقى 6 ويغيظ الاكس وهيجري كل يوم 7 لفات في التراك وهيلعب ضغط وبطن يطلع 6 باك عضلاته بتكبر كل يوم صور نفسه على الفيسبوك عمل قلبه كل دي احلام في دماغه بس مش حقيقة وخلاص بقى من بكرة هياخد الخطوة الجريئة دي ماما 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 لبس شراب طويل غطى الركبتين وخد مع الايبود ما فيهوش التراكين على داخل الجيم هيبدا اول دور شاب شاف خبطه كتف وقع على الفلور قام دخل مع عزم شال الوزن 10 كيلو ظهره قفش ما قدرش شال 5 كيلو بس كانت صعبه راح وشال كده بقاله في الجيم 5 minutes مش اكتر دلوقتي راجع البيت يقعد بقى بالبوكسر بوكسر ايزي ماما موب موب موب